Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today on In the Kitchen with Sandy we are making a super easy low carb meatball sub. It's not really a sub, it's more like a wrap. It is a wrap, but we're using today these low carb tortilla flour shells. They're only six net carbs per shell. Super easy to make. I've made these many times before. Actually, I made a couple of them yesterday for my husband to take to lunch. They are really super delicious, and if you're not following low carb or keto or anything like that, you can just throw these together very quick and easy, and you can put them on just regular bread if you want, like, you know, Italian bread or sub buns or garlic toast, anything you want to put them on. But again, it's so quick and it's so easy, so let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and preheat your oven to about 400, so they're going to be popped in the oven just for a few minutes. So easy to make. Your kids will really like these too, so if you want to make them for your kids, that would be a good idea. Let's go over what we're going to use. In here I've got some leftover meatballs, just 4, believe it or not. These are the Johnsonville meatballs that you find in your grocer's frozen section. They are really good. These are super delicious, and this is what I had left from making those the other day. Super delicious. Now all you're going to do is you're going to take your tortilla shell, and I'm only going to make one because I just have enough to make one. And then you're just going to place your meatballs right in the center of it, just like so. Look at that, just enough. And 4 is what I normally use anyway for meatballs, because that gives you a nice, good, hearty bite with, you know, each bite you got a big old chunk of meatball there. And then we're going to add some. This is just some pizza sauce. You can use any brand to your liking. I like to make mine a little saucy. I like to have to use a napkin with it, you know what I'm saying? And then we're also going to add, and you can top it with anything that you want to top yours with, but I'm going to top mine with some onions. And the oven is ready. I like a lot of onions. I won't be playing. I guess I can put it over there where you can see it. Where I'm building it here. Go ahead and put that one on there too. And then we're going to add, these are the pepper rings. These are hot. You can use mild if you'd like. But these give it a really, really good flavor. You know what? I'm going to put them all on there just because I can. Look at that. And then we're also going to add just some, let's go down a little bit. We're going to put some mozzarella cheese on it. And really, basically, that's all you do. And then you're just going to pop this in the oven. I've got it on 400, and it's just going to go in there until the cheese melts nicely, which will take probably about 5 minutes maximum. So good. Look at that. Now we're going to pop this in the oven for about 5 minutes, just till the cheese melts, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Alright guys, my meatball wrap was in the oven for about 6 to 7 minutes on about 375, 400 degrees. You got to watch because the edges kind of start getting a little bit brown, but that's perfectly alright. I'm going to take a look at this. Look at that. Look how nice and delicious that looks. This is one of my husband's favorite things to eat, which he has lots and lots and lots. But anyway, I hope you like this recipe. I hope you give this a try. Like I said, whether you're doing keto or you're not doing keto, very quick, very easy. Try it on the kids. They'll appreciate it and they'll love you for it. You know I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye. Take care.